So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on adjust for best appearance and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HE current user, and then we're going to expand control panel, and then we're going to click on desktop. And now all this will appear on the right hand side. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until you find Win8 DPI scaling. You want to double click on this, and then you want to change the value data to 1 and click on OK. And now you should have something that's also called log pixels. So for me personally, I don't have it. You might not have it as well. So you want to find log pixels. If you do not have it like me, you just want to right click on any blank space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. And now you want to name this new value as log pixels. Click on enter. If you already have log pixels, then you can just double click on it. So now you want to double click on log pixels and you want to change the value data to 78 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. And now once you do all this, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.